Ahead on the Manipur Chakra, few things. We are planning to do an online teaching course which is still in process. Like we have thought of doing an online teachers training course for yoga and chakras. And on the 19th, the session, 18th or 19th, Rasika, we cancelled one session, no? Yeah, so that will be 19, that will be changing, the date will be changing, and Rasika Ben will get back to you. I'm announcing this now because after the class nobody can hear anything, so I thought I must say it before. Today is a very important chakra, the Manipur chakra, and which is also called the solar plexus. Before we go ahead, let me introduce you again. Today we have Randeep with us. He'll say hi to you all. The technical arrangement, so that if you can't see anything, if you can't hear anything, he'll be helping us throughout this session today. And so when get back to me, Rasika Bin or Nalini Bin, one of you keep talking, so that in case anything goes wrong, you keep telling us. Okay? Yeah. So now before we go ahead, let me tell you the benefits of the chakras, why we are doing this Manipur chakra. First, because the chakra itself is a whole energy transformer, something that contains a lot of energy. So you have to understand that if you don't explore this energy in the body, if it is there in such big quantity and if you don't use it, it feels abused. And all the suffering that we have is because the same energy is being abused, it feels abused, and it starts using us then after that, because of which we start suffering. The benefits of solar plexus. Yeah, hold this screen. The benefits of solar plexus. Please write them down because these are my yesterday's insights. I've been practicing before giving you the same session. I've been re-practicing this whole session. If take a paper and pen, I'll give you a minute and write it down. You have to know this because it's like a learning process. The benefit of this, the gifts of solar plexus are, first, it provides the sadhak with the best things of life. All what you want to experience as the best in your material life, in your relationship, this chakra, when it opens up or when you start doing the sadhana with respect for this chakra, it will give you the best things of life. 2, it gives you the gift of enthusiasm. मतलब आपको बहुत खुशी से उत्साह, the Hindi word for it is उत्साह. I think even in Gujarati is उत्साह. So the उत्साह means when you get up, you're very energetic and you want to do something. You want to do something great. You want to start your day happily and you start up happy. That's what it gives you. It gives you उत्साह, enthusiasm. 3, it gives you confidence. It gives you a lot of confidence that you can do anything and it gives you a solution to everything. So that is the very important gift for us. 4th gift that it gives us is independence. It makes you independent so that your dependency on lot of things, lot of dependency on other people or any kind of dependency is taken out from your life, it's eliminated and it makes you very independent. So remember this, it is a very important point in your life. The 5th important thing that this chakra, when you will do the sadhana, it will give you is brilliant idea and solutions. आपको बहुत अच्छे अच्छे ideas आएंगे. You will feel like doing something new in life, create something new in life. Brilliant ideas you will get for everything that happens, even normal things like your kitchen or your house or with your children. You will start getting brilliant ideas and solutions. 6th gift, it is a powerhouse of energy, so you will never feel tired. You will always feel I can do still more, I can do still more. And believe me, at this age we really need this power and we can really tap into it and explore this power so that we have a lot of energy to do our work. 7th, this helps us perform our karmas and activities unconditionally. Most of the things, once your Manipur chakra opens up, you understand that I can do anything without thinking of the result. You just do your activity. You don't wait for the result. You do all the good feelings that you have, creative feelings that you have. You start working on it. You become very action oriented once this chakra is open, and you don't wait for to achieve something, but you just know that you have to do it, and you work hard on it. And believe me, it's effortless work once you open up this chakra. Eighth gift, it gives you presence of mind. The other day I was driving at early morning from at 5 from Nasik to Mumbai, and it was very dark. There are no streets light, nothing, and it was a difficult drive. And I realized I can't see more than how much the headlight goes, maybe 4 feet or 5 feet or 10 feet. But then I was panicky initially, and then I realized suddenly that even if I see this much, it's quite a lot. And every time I keep moving ahead, the light also moves ahead. So from moment to moment, I am getting light to see forward. Exactly like this, you will learn to live from moment to moment. Even if you know just next 4 steps, that's enough. You will be able to walk your whole life smoothly, and you needn't worry about it. So it gives you a lot of presence of mind and live in the moment. It is the center of innovations. Supposing all these, if somebody's Manipur chakra is open, suddenly they will discover new things which nobody has discovered. And a very good solar plexus or a Manipur chakra means all those people who must have invented light, flight, trains, engines, or bulbs, all these innovations must have happened because their solar plexus were open. So it is a center of innovations. Something new which nobody can do, you can do properly. It connects us to the source and the creator. Try and understand your Nabhi chakra. This is your Nabhi chakra, your navel region. When you are born, your navel is connected. The cord is connected to the mother, and it is cut. Even though it is cut, the stem cells, they are taken from that, and they are used if for any life थ्रेटनिंग डिजीज. सेम स्टेम सेल्स का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है, और जब आपकी बॉडी में इंजेक्ट करके आपकी जान में जान आ जाती है, लाइक यू कैन रियली कम आउट ऑफ हेल्थ क्राइसिस. दैट इज बिकॉज इट हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ लाइफ. वो आपको आपके सोर्स से कनेक्ट करता है. आपकी मम्मी का सोर्स भी कुछ होगा, उसकी मम्मी का भी सोर्स कुछ होगा. अल्टीमेटली इट कनेक्ट्स यू टू द सोर्स, द क्रिएटर, and it makes you realize that you have the power of creation. So it is a major creative chakra. अगर जब ये खुल जाता है तो प्लीज राइट दीज पॉइंट्स डाउन. जब किसी को, साधक को, जब ये पता होता है कि क्या निशानी है ये चक्र खुलने की, तो जब आप साधना करते हैं किसी चक्र की, तो आपको पता चलता है कि अब मुझे नेक्स्ट चक्र पे मूव ऑन होना. जब ये सब होने लगेगा आपके साथ, whenever you know that all these things have started happening to you, ये सब लक्षण जब आप देख पाएंगे, the signs of the open chakra, then you know now I can move forward and to work on another chakra. It connects us to the source and gives us the realization that I am that, I am God. सोहम मंत्र हमने बहुत बारी सुना है, that which means I am that. मैं वो हूँ जिसने मुझे बनाया है, मेरा क्रिएटर. हम उसी की शक्ति का एक अंश है, लेकिन वो तब हम रियलाइज करते हैं जब मणिपुर चक्र हमारा खुल जाता है. वी आर गोइंग टू मेक इट वेरी एक्सपीरियंशियल. मैं आपको इसका अनुभव भी देने वाली हूँ, बट दिस इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट लेसन. आज का सेशन थोड़ा सा लंबा होगा. Please be patient and please be there till the end. Don't miss anything because I have really worked on this for you. It opens up your whole healing capacity. एक इंसान के अंदर इतनी कैपेसिटी होती है हीलिंग की कि आप अपनी हर बीमारी को बिना दवा लिए भी बहुत बार ठीक हो सकते हैं. यू कैन हील योर बॉडी, योर माइंड, योर होल सेल्स completely. If you open up your Manipur chakra, the healing power of the body unlocks itself and it starts manifesting. But because we don't realize it, we don't open it up. So you have to understand that you have to allow this to happen, the healing to happen in your body by opening up the Manipur chakra. Now, not necessary for all the benefits you can do. You can achieve some benefits, you may not achieve some benefits, but you will know that yes, my Manipur chakra is still being open. It balances your astrological imbalances. So समटाइम्स आपके बहुत सारे प्लैनेट्स आपके इम्बैलेंस्ड होंगे. आपको बचपन में किसी ने बोला होगा आपका चार्ट देख के, जैसे इंडिया में हम चार्ट देख के, आई एम एन एस्ट्रोलॉजर सो आई नो ये चार्ट में ये प्लैनेट का आपके ऊपर दोष है, सो इट्स गिविंग यू, इट्स यू नो, इट्स मैलिफिशेंट फॉर यू, इट्स नॉट गुड फॉर यू. बट जब ये चक्र खुलता है, इस चक्र का देवता है सूर्य. मीन्स द सन इज रूलिंग दिस चक्र ऑफ आवर बॉडी, द सेंटर ऑफ आवर बॉडी, एंड द सन इज सो ब्राइट that when the sun is there, no other planets can be seen, and sun is the center of it's the orbit, it's the center of the whole planetary system. When it is illuminated, No other planet can suppress you or depress you or give you bad results because the sun is awakened. So that is why those who open up their Manipur chakra, all their psychological, astrological imbalances are also balanced. It humbles a person and also allows one to use this awakened power for constructive purpose. This gives you a lot of power when this chakra is opened up, but you have to be very careful that you must use all the power constructively and humbly. Don't become arrogant after you open up your chakras. That is one important thing. You should have a lot of gratitude for this universe and your creator, because once you've opened up this chakra, it's a very, very vast power if you explore this. But try to use it very constructively so that you are in harmony with the universe and you can do universal good. Now, one more information about the chakra. Those who want to write can write. The element of this chakra is fire. In the body, the fire is represented by acid in the body. All the acid in the body is fire. So remember this, all your metabolism is happening because of the fire. 2, it is the navel region. We have done 2 chakras. The lowest was root chakra, second was the Swadhisthana chakra, and today we are doing the Manipur chakra. The number of the petals for this chakra are 10. You can see it on the screen, and this is the color of the chakra. The 10 petals are, they have the sound letters which have to be pronounced like this. Listen carefully. Dum, dham, nam, tan, than, dan, dham, nam, pham. You don't have to remember this, but I am doing this today for you. Sometimes the sound, when it is struck on a chakra, it gently goes and unlocks the chakra smoothly. You may not get into it, but since we were doing it, I thought I must share this information with you, which is very important. Why does this chakra lock, and what are the imbalances of this chakra? When this chakra is blocked, one loses confidence, one loses faith in oneself. आप अपने आप में विश्वास खो बैठेंगे, विश्वास ही नहीं खो बैठेंगे, आप बहुत आलसी हो जाएंगे और आपको बहुत सारे पेट के रोग हो जाएंगे. You will get a lot of digestive problems also. Once the acid in the body is imbalanced, then it starts burning your whole necessary cells also. जैसे आपके cells पानी के हैं, अगर अग्नि की मात्रा ज़्यादा हो जाएगी शरीर में बैलेंस के बियॉन्ड, तो वो आप ही के शरीर को खाना शुरू कर देगी और सुखा देगी, डिहाइड्रेट कर देगी. इसीलिए इसको एक बैलेंस बनाए रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Today we are going to do certain exercises which you will understand the difference when you do these exercises, what happens to your Manipur chakra. Before we go ahead, Manipur chakra की एक फाइनल बात आपको बताना चाहती हूँ. मणिपुर चक्र का वर्ड, हमेशा वर्ड ब्रेक कीजिए आप. मणिपुर, पुर means city, मणि means jewels. This is the place in your body which is your treasure. A human being which goes from this universe without opening the Manipur chakra will come back again and again to complete the experiences of human life. So let's not get into that chakra. We will get up today and we'll do the exercises so that we open up our Manipur chakra. Ready everybody? You can hear me? Rasika Ben, Nalini Ben, can they hear me? Great. Please, let's just stand. So keep your chair, like I always say, keep a chair. Those who have a back problem, always find the right place. Now I'm going to alter the screen so that you can see me properly. Can you highlight the screen, Rasika Ben, so that I know that they can see me and what they can see? Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, everybody, can you see me? Yes, you can see me, right? Even if you can't see my face, doesn't matter, but if you can see my hands and legs, this is very important chakra. Please keep a chair also with you. Those who have a knee problem, those who have a back problem, please use props and make your body comfortable. It's all about the chakra. The chakra doesn't demand that you kill yourself or you break your body. Please be very comfortable and take care of yourself. Whatever is convenient to you, you may do so. You use a pillow or a chair, whatever is comfortable. Ready? All the exercise today are based on twistings, and all the twists will happen in this area of the body, this whole circle of the body. That is the Manipur chakra. हम बोलते हैं ना पेट में कुछ नहीं रहता है, पेट में गड़बड़ हो जाती है, एंजाइटी होती है तो पेट में ही टेंशन होता है. आप जब भी टेंशन लेते हैं तो आपका पेट खराब होता है. आज आप जितनी बारी पेट को स्क्वीज करेंगे या ट्विस्टिंग की एक्सरसाइज करेंगे, आपको ये याद रखना है कि आप कॉन्शियसली allow all those things that were blocking your chakra. Full screen नहीं आ रहा है. They were blocking your chakra. You have to allow them to go. Allow them to go where? Into the universe, into the earth. Okay? So let's start with the first exercise. Take your arms up, out, and first we'll do the twisting. Now keep your hips here in one position and twist. Exhale. Inhale, center. Exhale. Yeah. Yeah, we want to remove the screen, only this has to come. Yeah, 1 minute, huh? Yeah. Just a minute, huh? We'll stop sharing. Yeah, better? Okay. Okay, everybody, now you can see me. Very nice. Open up your arms. First, let's twist. Exhale, center, inhale. Right exhale. So inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Focus on the center of your body. Twist and squeeze hard. Each time you exhale as if you're throwing out all that you have stored inside your solar plexus. The solar plexus gets blocked with anger, jealousy, anxiety. Keep breathing. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excellent. And relax. Take a deep breath in. Stand straight always with your feet firm into the ground. Hip distances apart. Breathe in deep. Exhale long. Focus more on exhalation and make the exhalations longer. क्योंकि हम सब कुछ अपनी बॉडी में जमा रखते हैं तो सब पेट में जमा हो जाता है. आज सब कुछ निकाल देंगे हम पेट में से. Very nice. Those who can twist just on their own is fine. Those who cannot twist otherwise without the support can use the chair like this. And those who do not want to use the chair, you may do it directly like this and we will twist. Ready? And those who want to take a support, you can even take a support. So it's like this. Twist, twist. Press the knee down and open and twist. 1, 2, exhale, breathe in, relax the back of your neck. Look at the hand which is behind, look at the fingers of the arm which is behind. Breathe. Very nice. Come back. Other side. Very nice. Now twist. Breathe. Breathe. Twist behind and breathe. This is just a warm up. Excellent. Keep breathing. Come back. Very nice. Now, put your hands behind your head. Put your hands behind your head. Turn left and go down. Go down. Very nice. Exhale. Come back. Inhale. Turn right. Go down. Exhale. Squeeze your abdomen. Squeeze. Think of your solar plexus. Remember, the intention is to activate your solar plexus. Inhale up. Turn left. Go down. Exhale. Those who are sitting on the chair can do it in the sitting position also. Same exercise. Inhale up. Focus on the solar plexus. पूरी सांस अंदर तक लीजिए. Exhale down. Beautiful. Again. Inhale up. Twist left. Exhale down. Squeeze your solar plexus. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Other side. Very nice. Beautiful. 4 more times. Inhale, exhale down. Exhale down. Focus, exhalation has to be long. Inhale, exhale, go right down. Exhale. Very nice. 2 more to go. Inhale, exhale, go down. Beautiful. Come up and exhale and go down. And come to the center and relax. Take a deep breath in. Close your eyes. Stand straight, firm onto your feet. If you're sitting, just sit straight. But take a deep breath in, exhale and relax your whole body. Close your eyes. Put your hands on your abdomen, on your solar plexus, the Manipur chakra, the treasure of human life. And experience when you breathe into it, how it expands. And exhale and relax it. Beautiful. Very nice. Now in the next, all the exercises of this chakra mostly will be on the floor, except 2 more exercises. So now we'll go into the Veerbhadra Asana, the soldier's pose. Can you see my feet? I'll see the feet are important in this. So look at the feet. Okay? Yeah, so the feet are important. Turn your right toe out. Go down. Now turn. And now from here, go down. Very nice. Now staying here is important. And then you lift this arm up. Yes. Lift the opposite arm up. And breathe. Feel the twist in the solar plexus. Pay your attention. Keep breathing in your solar plexus. That's very important that you keep breathing in that chakra. Very nice. Come back. Beautiful. Just twist. Turn the other toe out. Go to this side. Lunge to this side. Excellent. And twist. Look up. Look up. Keep breathing. Keep breathing in the solar plexus. Feel the twist. Each time you twist, you're allowing all the blockages in your solar plexus to go and you're helping the chakra open up. Breathe. And come back. Again, go to the other side. Turn the toe out. Twist. Go down fully. Lunge and exhale. Squeeze. Keep breathing, everybody. Breathing is very important. Breathe in the whole of the solar plexus. Come back. Very nice. Go to the left. Excellent. Twist and look up. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Breathe as much as you can. Think of your solar plexus. Come back to the center. Very nice. Putting your feet, your palms on the ground. Those who want to sit on the chair can sit on the chair like this and continue. Those who are just here, be straight. And now go in and exhale. 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 Continue. 4, 5. Exhale. 6. Go inside and exhale. Those who have back problem, take it easy. 8. Or sit on the chair. 9. Exhale. Press your tummy in. Squeeze your whole solar plexus. Yes. 9. 10. 4 more. 4. 3. Exhale. 2 and 1. If you want to sit on a chair, sit. Take a moment to sit on the chair. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, relax your whole body. Take a deep breath in into your whole navel region. Allow the abdomen to become big, like inflated. Allow the breath to go in your abdomen, inflate it. Exhale. Again, take a deep breath in your abdomen, inflate it. Think of the Manipur chakra. Think you're allowing it to open up. Exhale. Remember, energy works in the direction of the mind. A small child always breathes through the navel, but we only breathe from here. That is why we have so much anxiety. But a small child, because they breathe from here, their intelligence is so much different. They are in harmony with nature. So keep breathing in this region all the time throughout all the exercises. Lie down, everybody. Now we are going to do variations of the Markatasana. Can you see me? Yes or no? Good. Okay, so now open your arms, shoulder height, place the palms on the floor, and now put your right heel in between your toes on the left. See, like this. Everybody, can you see this? Very nice. You put your right foot on your left foot. Very nice. Stick them tight and now twist to your left side. Twist to the left side and look at the right side. And breathe. This is a beautiful exercise for your back also. This is a good exercise for people who have sciatica. Beautiful. Keep breathing. Breathe. Squeeze your whole solar plexus. Exhale. Inhale. Breathe in the chakra. Come back. Relax your back. Inhale. Again. 2. Squeeze. Press your shoulders into the ground. Press your palms into the ground. Squeeze your whole center of the body. Allow the toe to reach to the other side. Don't forget to exhale and breathe in your Manipur chakra. And inhale. Back. One more time. Go again to the same side. Exhale. Keep breathing. Press your arms down. Beautiful. And come up. Inhale. Excellent. Change the leg now. The other leg on the other toe. Put your heels on the other toe. Yes. Everybody ready? Now let's twist. Exhale. Squeeze. Exhale. And try to reach that toe down to the floor. Neck twisted on the other side, opposite side. Keep breathing. Feel the twist in your navel chakra. And come back. Take a deep breath in your whole Manipur chakra. Very nice. Again, twist. Breathe in deep. Exhale. Twist more. Each time you exhale, you allow the twist to become deeper. As you relax in this position, you will see you can go deeper in this practice. Come back. Relax. Again, inhale. Exhale, go down, squeeze, turn your neck to the opposite direction. Try to reach the toe down, squeeze your Manipur chakra. Exhale, inhale long. Relax the body and come back. Excellent. Just relax in Shavasana for a few seconds. Lie down flat on your back in Shavasana. Allow the back of your navel to relax. Everybody, allow the back of your navel to relax. Allow your abdomen to fall into your back. अपने पेट को ऐसे ही गिरने दीजिए. रिलैक्स होके अपने नेवल में को गिरने दीजिए. ब्यूटीफुल. अपने हिप्स रिलैक्स कीजिए. पेट को बार बार रिलैक्स करते जाइए. बटक्स को रिलैक्स कीजिए. अपने सांस में होने वाले चेंजेस को देखिए. अब एक लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए पेट के अंदर और एक लंबी सांस बाहर छोड़ के पेट को और रिलैक्स कर दीजिए. ब्यूटीफुल. नाउ नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. अपने राइट फुट को लेफ्ट नी पर रख दीजिए. राइट फुट को लेफ्ट नी पर रख दीजिए. दोनों हाथों को सीधा शोल्डर हाइट. रसिका बेन, यू कैन सी राइट. Yes. Now twist the right knee on your left side. अपने राइट नी को अपने लेफ्ट साइड पर ट्विस्ट कीजिए और नेक से दूसरी तरफ ट्विस्ट कीजिए. सांस लेना मत भूलिए. Keep breathing in your Manipur chakra. Long exhalations are more important in the Manipur chakra clearing. Breathe as much as you can. Twist your body. Allow the neck to go on the opposite side. Keep breathing. And come back. Stay there. Same leg. Continue. One more time. You're going to do 3 times each side. Squeeze. Try to press the knee onto the floor. Allow the neck to fall on the opposite side. Keep breathing. Remember, it's the Manipur chakra. पूरा ध्यान अपने चक्र में ही लगा के रखिए। अगर हमको इस चक्र के बेनिफिट्स चाहिए तो हमको पूरा ध्यान इसी चक्र में जनरेट करते रहना पड़ेगा। ब्यूटिफुल, एंड कम बैक। लास्ट टाइम, go down, breathe, exhale, breathe in, exhale, relax deeper and deeper in this, and come back. Excellent. This is also a very good exercise for people who have back problems. If your chakra is blocked, then you will also have problems in your back and in your abdomen. So when you do this exercise, जब चक्रा क्लीन होता है तो आपकी बैक की प्रॉब्लम भी ठीक हो जाती है. Now take the other leg up. Not the left foot, on the right knee. Beautiful. Both the palms flat on the floor and gently twist the whole left knee onto the right side. And look at the left side. And breathe, everybody. Twist your whole abdomen and keep breathing as much as you can. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Inhale and come back. Very nice. Again, exhale and go down and deep, deep. Excellent. Breathe into it. Breathe, everybody. Keep breathing. Excellent. Focus on the Manipur chakra. आपका चक्र पिछले हिस्से में भी बॉडी के है. The whole auric body is involved. And come back. Last time, one more time. Breathe, exhale, squeeze down, squeeze and keep breathing in this chakra. Excellent. Keep breathing deep and come back. Relax both your legs completely. Lie down in Shavasana, hands by your sides. Please allow the back of your navel to relax. Allow your whole abdomen to relax. अपने पेट को बैक में गिर जाने दीजिए. ध्यान से उसे रिलैक्सेशन मोड में ले जाइए. Allow the back of your navel to relax completely. अपने घुटने के पिछले हिस्से को रिलैक्स कीजिए. Allow the back of your knees to relax. Allow your buttocks to relax. Allow your hips to relax. Again and again, allow your whole abdomen to relax. Excellent. Open your arms. Very nice. Now, take both the knees together. Bend them like this. Your feet on the ground. Bring your feet closer to your hips, to your buttocks. Palms flat on the floor. Excellent. Press the feet into the ground and twist and turn the knees to the left side. Exhale. Once you reach there, you stay there. If you want to take the help of your hands, you may take and press deeper into this exercise. Breathe in this whole stretch of the Manipur chakra from the back also. Yes, keep breathing. Excellent. And come back. Inhale. Exhale, go down. Breathe. Breathe in that whole length of your spine. इस पूरे twist में breathing करिए. Excellent. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Twist. Breathe, everybody. Open it up as much as you can. Excellent. Inhale. Exhale. Go down. Breathe into it, everybody. Excellent. Breathe. Very nice. Come back. Inhale. Exhale and squeeze. Go deeper and deeper into this. Excellent. And come back and relax your whole body again in Shavasana. Relax your whole body in Shavasana. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, you relax the back of your navel, the back of your shoulders, the back of your hips. अपने पेट को अपनी कमर में, अपने बैक में गिरने दीजिए. पूरी रीढ़ की हड्डी को रिलैक्स कर दीजिए. अपने घुटने का पिछला हिस्सा रिलैक्स कीजिए. अपने थाइस के पिछले हिस्से को रिलैक्स कीजिए. रिलैक्स योर हैमस्ट्रिंग्स। दोनों हाथों को नेवल पर रख के एक लंबी गहरी सांस भरिए, पूरा पेट फुलाइए और सांस छोड़ दीजिए। फिर से लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए, एक्सहेल एंड रिलैक्स। ब्यूटीफुल। अब धीरे से दोनों पैरों को फिर से मिलाइए और अब हम दोनों पैरों को चेस्ट में, दोनों घुटनों को चेस्ट में ले आएंगे। ऐसे चेस्ट में दोनों नीज को ले आइए। वेरी नाइस, एज मच एज यू कैन प्रेस। ओपन अप योर आर्म्स, ब्यूटीफुल। एंड फ्रॉम हियर ट्विस्ट टू द लेफ्ट साइड, ट्विस्ट, ब्रीथ ब्रीथ। दोनों घुटनों को शोल्डर हाइट तक लाने की कोशिश कीजिए ट्विस्ट करके। ब्रीथ, excellent, keep breathing. Try to look at the right side. Keep breathing into the whole chakra. Squeeze the chakra and allow the blockages to open in this chakra. Excellent. And come back. Inhale. Exhale, go down to the other side. Bring the knees up towards the shoulder. Very nice. Take the help of your hands. Pull the knees up towards your shoulders. Breathe. Twist and breathe. सांस लेना मत भूलिए। पूरे ध्यान मणिपुर चक्र पे लगा कर रखिए। ब्यूटीफुल। एंड कम बैक। इनहेल, अदर साइड, एक्सहेल, ट्विस्ट एंड ब्रीथ। एक्सहेल, इनहेल, रिलैक्स इट हियर, अलाउ द ओपनिंग ऑफ द मणिपुर चक्र। ब्यूटीफुल। अगेन इनहेल, exhale, twist to the other side. Breathe. This is a very good exercise for people who have back problems, gas problems. If you do this exercise, you will really feel a big change in the shape of your body. Keep breathing and come back. Inhale, exhale. Excellent. Exhale and keep breathing. Very nice. Last time, inhale. Last time to the other side. Exhale, twist more, look at the opposite side. Excellent. Keep breathing. Come to the center and relax again in Shavasana. Allow the back to fall into the earth. जब आप देखोगे कि आप बैक को बिल्कुल रिलैक्स करते हैं तो कम से कम 2 से 3 इंच वो ज़मीन में और गहरी उतर जाती है और रिलैक्स हो जाती है। Allow the muscles of your back to relax. एक लंबी गहरी सांस भरिए अपने पूरी नाभि क्षेत्र में। जब आप सांस छोड़ते हैं तो पेट की सारी मांसपेशियों को ढीला छोड़ दीजिए। Allow the muscles of your abdomen to relax. Allow your whole spine to relax. Allow your buttocks to relax. Beautiful. Very nice. Very nice. Gently open your eyes. Now in the next exercise, those who have a back problem will take care. Use a cushion like this. Take this cushion and put it underneath your lower back like this. Underneath your buttocks. Those who don't have a problem may not use it. But those who want a prop so that you can focus more on the belly, you can use this cushion. Hold the cushion there. Put your hands beneath your hips and thighs. And now exhale. Press the back into the floor. Press the abdomen into the back. Exhale. पूरे पेट को जमीन में दबा दीजिए। पूरा खाली कर दीजिए सांस छोड़ के। पैरों को अपनी तरफ खींचते जाइए। Very nice. And go down. Now again, exhale. Squeeze your abdomen. Let it fall into the back side and come back. Inhale. Exhale, squeeze. So it goes like this, faster, little faster. Please see that you're not using your back. You have to use your whole center area, the navel area. So it's like a Kapalbhati. Ten more. Completely relax your whole body. Relax your abdomen, your spine. एक लंबी गहरी सांस भरिए अपने पूरे नेवल रीजन में, पूरा पेट फुला दीजिए और नाक से ही सांस छोड़ते हुए पूरी बैक रिलैक्स कीजिए। पेट को अपनी बैक में गिर जाने दीजिए, पूरी बैक बॉडी रिलैक्स कीजिए। जब आप पेट को रिलैक्स करते हैं तो ऑब्जर्व कीजिए कितने अच्छे से वो जमीन की तरफ गिर जाता है। जस्ट रिलैक्स इट, उसको ज़्यादा परेशान मत कीजिए। जस्ट ब्रीथ नॉर्मली एंड गो ऑन रिलैक्सिंग। Excellent. Next exercise, please keep a cushion. Those who feel you need a support or a prop, believe me, it really works the Manipur Chakra beautifully. अब हम दोनों पैरों को मिला के हम एक सर्कल बनाएंगे ऐसे। पैर जॉइन ही रहने चाहिए। जब आप पैर ऊपर लेके आते हैं तो पेट को दबा के एक्सहेल करेंगे, नीचे जाते हुए इनहेल। सो एक्सहेल, इनहेल। गॉट इट एवरीबॉडी? शुड वी स्टार्ट? रेडी? नाउ अगेन कपालभाति जैसे सांस करनी है आपको, लंबी गहरी सांसें छोड़नी है। सो इट्स रेडी? लेट्स स्टार्ट। जॉइन योर फीट टुगेदर। नाउ क्लॉकवाइज। 2, सांस की आवाज आनी चाहिए, पूरा सांस पेट से खाली कीजिए मणिपुर चक्र से। 5, ब्रीथ। 6, 7, एक्सहेल। 8, keep exhaling. 9 and 10 और रिलैक्स करिए दोनों पैरों को। फिर से शवासन में आ जाइए। लंबी गहरी सांस भरिए पेट में, पूरा पेट फुला दीजिए और एक लंबी सांस बाहर छोड़िए। पूरे पेट को अंदर गिर जाने दीजिए जमीन की तरफ। Relax your whole spine, especially the back of your navel. Relax your whole abdominal region, your Manipur chakra. Keep your eyes closed, keep connection with your Manipur chakra and tell your chakra, tell your body, I intend improving my relationship with my chakras. मैं अपने चक्रास के साथ अपने तालमेल को बढ़ाने में अपनी मदद करना चाहती हूँ। Beautiful. Again, same exercise, anti-clockwise. So we go from down to up, opposite side, anti-clockwise. Go and exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, कपालभाति जैसे सांस छोड़ना है। 5, साइड टू साइड। 6 and up। 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax again in Shavasana. Everybody, please relax in Shavasana. Take deep breaths in, and as you exhale, keep relaxing your whole navel region and your back body. फिर से एक लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए, पेट को पूरा फुलाइए और सांस छोड़ते हुए पेट की सभी मसल्स को पूरी तरह से फ्लैट हो जाने दीजिए, रिलैक्स कर दीजिए। बार बार अपनी रीढ़ की हड्डी, अपनी स्पाइन को रिलैक्स कीजिए। एक्सीलेंट। धीरे से आंखें खोलिए। Please have patience. We have to go a little long way because Manipur chakra has been blocked for ages. लेफ्ट पैर को जमीन में दबा के रखिए, राइट पैर को ऊपर उठाइए और लेफ्ट साइड के हाथ के पास ले जाने की कोशिश करिए। अगर आप नहीं कर सकते हैं तो बेल्ट यूज कर सकते हैं या स्कार्फ यूज कर सकते हैं। एंड ट्विस्ट योर होल बॉडी। कीप ब्रीदिंग नाउ, कीप ब्रीदिंग। अब मणिपुर चक्र पे इसका असर देखिए, इस एक्सरसाइज का असर आप मणिपुर चक्र में देखिए। आप महसूस कर सकते हैं कैसे लगता है। सांस छोड़ते जाइए, जितना हो सके सांस छोड़ते जाइए। इसको स्क्वीज कीजिए गर्दन को दूसरी तरफ घुमाइए, सांस की प्रक्रिया बंद मत कीजिए, ध्यान मणिपुर चक्र में लगा कर रखिए। वेरी नाइस एंड रिलीज, कम अप, पुट दैट लेग डाउन। अब राइट पैर को जमीन में दबा दीजिए, रिलैक्स कीजिए। अब अपने लेफ्ट और राइट साइड में फर्क देखिए, अपने लेफ्ट और राइट साइड में फर्क देखिए अंदर से। ब्यूटीफुल। धीरे से राइट पैर को जमीन में दबाकर लेफ्ट पैर को उठाइए और लेफ्ट पैर को राइट हाथ के पास ले जाइए। टेक इट देयर एंड ब्रीथ, ब्रीथ इन द सेंटर ऑफ द बॉडी। लंबी गहरी सांसें भरिए, अपनी पूरी स्पाइन, पूरी बॉडी को निचोड़ दीजिए। अलाउ कीजिए वो सारी चीजें जो आपको ब्लॉक करती हैं उन्हें निकल जाने दीजिए। स्क्वीजिंग में सांस लेते रहिए, छोड़ते रहिए एंड कम अप and bring that leg down and relax your whole spine. Please take care of your back as you do this. Always use a back support or a cushion like this, which helps you to prevent your back from injuring. Take deep breaths, relax your back. Very nice. Open your eyes. Take both the legs up this time. Take both the legs up, दोनों हाथ जमीन पर हैं flat, and join your feet and go to your left. Exhale, twist and go left. Exhale, don't touch the floor. 2 inches above the floor if you can hold. Keep breathing. Excellent. Resist gravity और फिर अपने पेट पर इसका असर देखिए. Very nice. And come up. Yeah, relax. And other side. हो सके तो पूरा जमीन पर टच मत कीजिए, आधा रास्ता जमीन से 2 इंच ऊपर तक जाइए। वेरी नाइस। कीप ब्रीदिंग, कीप ब्रीदिंग। अपने पेट में होने वाली इस स्क्वीजिंग को महसूस कीजिए, सांस लेते रहिए। कम अप, इनहेल एंड रिलैक्स, रिलैक्स इन शवासना। Completely allow your body to relax in Shavasana. Take a big breath in your belly. Exhale and relax your whole belly region. अपने पेट को पूरी तरह से ढीला छोड़ दीजिए, स्पाइन को ढीला छोड़ दीजिए। एक्सेलेंट। धीरे से आंखें खोलिए और दो अपने लेफ्ट तरफ टर्न होके ऊपर एक सिटिंग पोजीशन में हम आ जाएंगे। Come in a sitting position, everybody. Now, if you need a back support, you can go on the sofa. Those who cannot sit down, I request you to sit up. In this, the breathing exercise is important. If you sit on the floor or you sit on the chair, doesn't make any difference. Please be very comfortable when you do this exercise. Just keep your spine straight. Take the shoulders back and down. One important information let me share with you is आपकी बॉडी में ब्रेन का फंक्शन तभी तक काम करता है जब तक न्यूरॉन्स बॉडी में आने और जाने में समर्थ हैं। दैट मीन्स जब तक उनके रास्ते खुले हैं न्यूरॉन्स के, वो शरीर के हर जगह में जाके ब्रेन के मैसेज को पहुंचा सकते हैं और अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स दे सकते हैं। लेकिन अगर ये न्यूरॉन्स के रास्ते बंद हो जाते हैं तो दे कैन नॉट ट्रांसफर मैसेजेस, दे कैन नॉट गिव गुड रिस्पॉन्स, योर बॉडी विल नॉट गिव गुड रिस्पॉन्स, यू विल नॉट हैव अ वेरी एक्टिव लाइफ। जैसे जैसे हम ये एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, कुछ भी जैसे इस एक्सरसाइज में हम ब्रीदिंग भी जब करते हैं तो हम एक्सरसाइज के हम नसों के वो रास्ते खोल रहे हैं जहाँ से न्यूरॉन्स बहुत इजीली अपनी बॉडी में घूम सकें और अपने मैसेजेस को ट्रांसमिट कर सकते हैं। व्हेन यू डू दिस चक्रा, आपके ब्रेन फंक्शंस बहुत अच्छे हो जाते हैं। एक्सक्यूज मी। So your brain functions really improve because उसमें जो न्यूरॉन्स हैं उनका काम बहुत अच्छे से करने लग जाते हैं, प्लस आपकी स्पीड बढ़ जाती है। The the gift of this chakra is कि you get very good speed. कपालभाति हम क्यों करते हैं? ताकि हमारा भाति means the brain region, the frontal lobe of our brain starts becoming active with कपालभाति. कपालभाति को बहुत कॉन्शियसली मेरी गिनती और स्पीड के साथ ही करिए. एक पर्टिकुलर Tanden, Japanese word Tanden means breathing from the navel. Once if you start doing it properly, at the same speed, you will open up the chakra immediately. Everybody sit comfortably. Very nice. First exhalation will be only and squeeze and stay. Completely let the air out, squeeze and stay. Now from in to in we will do Kapalbhati. Only exhalations from the nose, no inhalations. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, exhale, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take a deep breath in, full breath inside your whole body, exhale and relax. Keep your eyes closed. पूरा ध्यान नाभि क्षेत्र में लगाइए, आंखों को बंद ही रखिए. पूरा ध्यान नाभि क्षेत्र में लगाकर रखिए. जब ये चक्र खुलता है तो आप में भरपूर ऊर्जा आप महसूस करेंगे. You will experience abundance of energy, a release of pure energy. Very nice. Again, first exhalation. Allow your whole abdomen to be squeezed. Very nice. From this squeeze position, do a Kapalbhati. Only exhalations from the nose. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Take a deep breath in. Fill up your abdomen with breath. लंबी सांस से पूरा पेट भर दीजिए, फुगा दीजिए. And exhale and relax your abdomen. Completely relax your whole body. अपना पूरा ध्यान अपने नाभि रीजन में लगाकर रखिए. Keep releasing the back of your navel from time to time. Keep relaxing it. Allow the power of this chakra to expand in your body. बार बार इस चक्र को की ऊर्जा को, इस सन की रोशनी को, सूर्य के तेज को अपने शरीर में फैलने दीजिए. Beautiful. One more time. फिर से पूरी सांस बाहर छोड़ दीजिए. And now from here start the Kapalbhati. 40, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Take a deep breath in. Fill up your body with the air, your whole abdominal region. Exhale and relax your whole body. Just relax. Relax your navel. Relax the back of your navel. पूरी रीढ़ की हड्डी ढीली छोड़ दीजिए. चेस्ट और शोल्डर्स को ढीला छोड़िए. Very nice. अपने अंदर ऊर्जा का संचार देखिए. Look at the circulation, the energy, the vibrancy of the sun area which is happening in your whole body, in all your cells. जैसे दिवाली की रोशनी ब्यूटिफुल. Gently open your eyes. अब हम भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम करेंगे एक बारी फिर से. दिस वन. जब भी भस्त्रिका करते हैं आप याद रखो इसमें पूरी ब्रीदिंग पेट के अंदर तक लेके जाइए. सो सांस भरिए भी अंदर और वहीं से खाली कीजिए. जितना फोर्सफुली आप पेट के अंदर सांस लेंगे और छोड़ेंगे उतना जल्दी ये चक्र खाली हो जाएगा और एक्टिव हो जाएगा. अगर आपका हर्निया का ऑपरेशन हुआ है या आपको बैक की कोई प्रॉब्लम है या किसी किस्म की हार्ट प्रॉब्लम है या सर्जरी हुई है, you please be careful that you don't exert yourself and take it easy. Those who can do this exercise with full potency, full strength, please give your best, expand fully, exhale fully. So it goes full breathing के साथ. I'll give you the count and you can start. Ready everybody? Start. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. 5. Exhale. 6. Exhale. 7. Exhale. Full strength. 8. Blow your abdomen. 9. Very nice. Your whole abdomen. Breathe fully. Exhale fully. 5. 4. 3. Inhale. Exhale. 2. And 1. Relax yourself completely, everybody. Take a deep breath in. आंखों को बंद रखिए. एक प्यारी सी हंसी चेहरे पे लेके आइए. एक प्यारी सी हंसी चेहरे पे लेके आइए. Very nice. Discover the beautiful energy expanding in your body. आपका शरीर एक तेज सूर्य की गर्मी जैसे गर्मी आप अपने शरीर में महसूस कर पाएंगे. ब्यूटिफुल. नाउ सेकंड भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम से इनहेल एक्सहेल. सो व्हेन यू डू दिस प्लीज यूज योर फुल स्ट्रेंथ एंड मसल्स को यूज करिए. पूरी सांस पेट में भरिए और छोड़िए. सो इट गोज लाइक दिस. इनहेल एक्सहेल. इनहेल एक्सहेल. Everybody ready to start? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, forward and back. 7, very nice. 8, 9, full potency. 10, 10, let's do this. 10, 9, 8, come on, give me your best everybody. 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. And relax. आंखों को बंद कीजिए. एक प्यारी सी हंसी चेहरे पे लेके आइए. लंबे गहरी सांस भरिए और सांस छोड़ दीजिए. Just keep a gentle smile on your face and observe your body from inside. You are independent. You are liberated. You are strong. You are courageous. All your happiness is inside you. You have the complete power of healing inside your body. You have all the gifts of the universe inside of this body. Tell yourself, I allow myself to experience and explore all the gifts of the universe inside my own body. And gently again open your eyes. If you want to lie down for the meditation, you may please do so. It is absolutely fine. लेकिन हम छोटा सा एक हंसी का we will create a laughter. So I want you to laugh out a lot from your abdomen. जैसे वो बुद्धा रहते थे ना, अगर आप देखोगे सिर्फ कोई जगह में बुद्धा की मूर्ति को पतला दिखाया जाता है. दैट इज आउटसाइड बुद्धास कंट्री, बुद्धास प्लेसेस. जैसे जितने चाइना में या बाकी सब देशों में बुद्धा की मूर्तियां हैं, आप देखो उनके पेट बड़े हैं क्योंकि वो बेली से हंसते हैं और वो गुड लक है उनका अब्डोमिनल रीजन, बिकॉज इट्स अ साइन ऑफ ओपन मणिपुर चक्रा. बाकी सब जगह में बेचारे बुद्धा को वो लोग एकदम लीन दिखाते हैं, जबकि असली में बुद्धा की बेली बड़ी दिखाई है, विच इज राइट. दैट मीन्स ओपन अप योर treasure, the Manipur chakra. So everybody, let's do a laughter for a few minutes. लेकिन पूरे पेट से हंसिए. पेट हिला के हंसिए जोर से. Ready everybody? Take your arms up. Laughter is a very good exercise for your Manipur chakra. Don't forget, if you are unhappy, if you have a lot of anxiety, you block your chakra. This chakra is blocked by fear, by anxiety, by with jealousy and inferiority complex. ये चक्र इसलिए भी बंद होता है कि हम अपने आप के बारे में बहुत बुरी बातें कहते हैं, जैसे मैं बहुत कमज़ोर हूँ, मैं अच्छी नहीं लग रही हूँ, और मेरा ये अच्छा नहीं है, मेरी बॉडी का शेप अच्छा नहीं है, मैं तो कभी पतली ही नहीं होती हूँ, मैं तो पानी भी पीऊँ तो भी मोटी होती हूँ। तो ये सब जो आप अपने बारे में ये बुरी बुरी बातें बोलते रहते हैं ना, तो आपकी बॉडी सुनती है और फिर वो वैसे ही बन जाती है जो आप कंप्लेन देते हैं। अगर नहीं है तो प्लीज़ बी केयरफुल। इफ़ यू स्टार्ट रिस्पेक्टिंग योर बॉडी तो आपके चक्रास भी अच्छा फील करते हैं और बॉडी अच्छे रिजल्ट्स देती है। तो इवन अगर आपकी बॉडी में कोई तकलीफ है, आप बोलना शुरू कीजिए, मेरी बॉडी बहुत अच्छी है, मेरी बॉडी बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्ड करती है, माई बॉडी इज़ बिकमिंग बेटर एंड बेटर एवरी डे। जैसे ही आप ऐसा करना शुरू करते हैं तो आपका संबंध आपके चक्रास के साथ इम्प्रूव होता है। The whole concept of making you do this exercise and make you understand this is so that you improve your relationship with your body and your chakras. मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ, आपको अगर दुनिया में बाहर कोई भी सुधार करना है तो जब तक आप अपने आप में जो अंदर सुधार नहीं लेके आएंगे वो बाहर नहीं हो सकता। उसके लिए आपका अपना रिलेशनशिप अपनी बॉडी के साथ बहुत परफेक्ट होना चाहिए, स्पेशली विद योर चक्रास। जब आपकी सांठ गांठ अच्छी होगी आपकी ऊर्जा के साथ तो आपको इस शरीर को मैनेज करना ही आसान नहीं होगा, बल्कि पूरी दुनिया को आप मैनेज कर पाएंगे। सो टू डू दैट नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज एवरीबॉडी। प्लीज आई रिपीट, दोज हु वांट टू लाई डाउन कैन लाई डाउन, दोज हु वांट टू सिट कैन सिट, you can sit on a chair, you can sit anywhere, you just listen to my instructions, keep following and enjoy yourself. Ready everybody? Beautiful. The only condition is close your eyes. Relax completely. Tell all the good things to your body. I am beautiful. I'm so lucky. I'm so fortunate I did the chakra session today. I'm so happy that I improved my relationship with my body. I'm so happy I improved my relationship with the chakras in this body. And with this feeling, take a very deep breath into your whole abdomen. पूरे abdomen को बलून जैसे फुगा दीजिए और सांस छोड़ के फिर से पूरा डिफ्लेट कर दीजिए। फिर से लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए, पेट फुगाइए और छोड़ दीजिए, फ्लैट कर दीजिए। फिर से पूरे पेट को फुगाइए और फ्लैट कर दीजिए, एक्सहेल। फिर से इनहेल, एक्सहेल, इनहेल, एक्सहेल, इनहेल, एक्सहेल, इनहेल, exhale, 2 more times. Inhale, exhale, 1 more. Inhale, exhale and relax. Just relax. पूरी तरह से रिलैक्स हो जाने दीजिए शरीर को। You have promised yourself that you will respect yourself, love yourself, honor yourself, accept yourself and worship yourself first. आप अपने आप से ये कमिट करिए कि आप अपने आप को बहुत आदर से देखेंगे, प्रेम से देखेंगे। अपने शरीर के लिए, अपने आप के लिए प्रेम उत्पन्न कीजिए। आप अपने आप को आप जैसे हैं वैसे ही एक्सेप्ट करेंगे। आप अपने सब खूबियों पर ध्यान देंगे, अपनी टैलेंट्स, अपनी क्रिएटिविटी, अपनी अच्छी ऊर्जा पर हम बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान देंगे। Allow your toes to relax. With this respect, honor and love for your body, allow your toes to relax. Take a deep breath, take a lot of love, honor and respect for your body and exhale and relax your feet. Take a deep breath into your ankles with lot of love, honor, respect and acceptance Exhale and relax your whole ankle region. अपने शरीर को प्यार से देखते रहिए. आपकी पूरी हीलिंग कैपेसिटी आपके शरीर के अंदर है, आपकी दवाई में नहीं, आपके ही शरीर के अंदर है. एक लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए अपनी काफ मसल्स में. टेक अ फुल डीप ब्रेथ विद लव. Exhale and allow your calf muscles to relax. Take a very deep breath into your knees, into the cavity of your knees. Exhale and allow both your knees to relax. Look at your knees with lot of love, respect, honor. See how your knees have taken care of you all your life. Take a deep breath into your thighs, into the hamstrings, into your quadriceps. Exhale. Allow the whole length of your thighs to relax. Look at your body inside with lot of love, lot of honor for the perfection of its performance. Without you instructing, it performs so beautifully. Take a deep breath into your buttocks and your sitting bones. Deep breath in, exhale. Relax your genitals, your buttocks, your hips, your sit bones. Look at your body with lot of love. Especially look at your genitals with love. They help us so much. They help us detoxify. शरीर का मल बाहर फेंकने में हमारी मदद करते हैं. Take a deep breath in your whole abdomen. पूरे नाभि क्षेत्र में सांस लीजिए. सांस छोड़ते हुए पूरे नाभि क्षेत्र को रिलैक्स कीजिए. अपनी स्पाइन रिलैक्स कीजिए. अपने abdomen के हर एक हिस्से को, अपनी इंटेस्टाइन्स को, अपनी किडनीज जो पीछे की तरफ है, अपना फूड बैग पूरी तरह से ढीला छोड़ दीजिए और रिलैक्स कीजिए. रिलैक्स योर हार्ट, चेस्ट एंड लंग्स, योर शोल्डर्स. अपने शरीर को बहुत आदर से देखिए. योर शोल्डर्स हैव हेल्प्ड यू सो मच टू टेक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ योर लाइफ. लुक एट योर आर्म्स, रिलैक्स देम. Look at your arms with love inside. Relax your triceps, your biceps, your elbows, forearms, wrists and palms. Take a deep breath into your neck. Exhale and relax your neck and the back of the neck. Take a deep breath into your whole face. ये चेहरा ना हो तो हम अपने शरीर को पहचाने ही ना. ये चेहरा हमारी पहचान बन जाता है, लेकिन हम इसे कभी रिलैक्स नहीं करते हैं. Today I allow my face to relax. I allow all my facial muscles to relax. I allow my chin, my lips, my tongue, my jaws to relax. I allow my cheek muscles to relax, my ears, my nose, my muscles around the eyes. I allow my eyes to relax, my eyelids to relax. Allow your forehead, your eyebrows to relax. Allow the whole scalp to relax. Allow your whole nervous system to relax. Allow your whole digestive system to relax. Allow your whole respiratory system to relax and look at your body with love again. अपने शरीर की हर एक बात सुनिए. Listen to your body. Your body can be your guide. It can help you heal. It can help you have a smooth journey. And listen to the sound of the Manipur chakra. इस साउंड को अपने नाभि में पूरी तरह से अंदर जाने दीजिए ताकि वो इस चक्र को खोल सके. Run. Relax your whole body. Gently bring your attention into your navel chakra. Put your hands on your belly. And take a deep breath again. Look at your body with love, respect and honor. Gently rub your palms. Rub them on your face, rub them on your navel, rub them on your whole body.